So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous bob haircut. Now that we see the back, this is definitely a play on the pixie bob hair trend. Absolutely stunning transformation. She looks beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some amazing hair transformations. So here we have a bit of a bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. She definitely got more of like an effortless bob. And then it looks like we're gonna have another bob haircut style here. Gorgeous. I love the fact that we get to see her emotions as the stylist cuts her hair. Wow, look at the amount of fullness that this has. Absolutely gorgeous classic bob style. It ends just around her shoulders and features a middle part. So pretty. And then we see someone with long curly hair. The hair has been braided, and the stylist begins to cut away at the ponytails. Oh wow, so she ended up with this beautiful feathered style pixie, beautiful bangs in the front. Love the shape and texture of this cut, amazing. And then there she is milling off her hair. So we move on to the next transformation. So she has shoulder length hair and bam, beautiful fresh bob haircuts. And then here we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's also going to be getting a bob. The stylist does a nice angled shape for this one, leaving the ends nice and blunt. Fresh center part down the middle. Mixes in a few bangs. She looks absolutely amazing. Love this bob transformation. So then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, wow. She decided to embrace her grays and go with this pixie. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And then we see a nice mid-length cut, followed by someone who has very long waist-length hair, who has decided to mix it up with the shoulder-length bob style. So it looks like the last transformation is going to be featuring the layered haircut trend. Gorgeous curtain bangs added in the front. Beautiful waves. I love the color too. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.